Okay, let's get to the exercise of the day about twang. Twang is a sound quality that a lot of musical singers, pop singers and soul singers, for example, use. And it is a technique that doesn't need a lot of vocal effort, which is great. But still, you get a sound that is very loud and pingy and upfront. And you can, for example, make a smoother transition between chest voice and head voice, because this sound can be applied in chest voice and in head voice. Without a lot of effort, because it's basically the resonance in your cavities doing the sound. Twang is very piercing, loud and high and tight. Meh, 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 meh. That was very high. You're 10 years old, standing on the playground, being like, nya, 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 nya. This is twang, okay? It's very annoying. It's a loud and piercing sound. And you're not trying to sound pretty right now. You really want this to be an annoying, loud, weird sound. And this is just an exercise, right? But you really need to embrace this annoying sound in order to eventually be able to do it properly. By the way, in case it hurts, like if there's some sort of itch in the back of your throat, just stop doing it. You're doing it wrong. Okay, and for the exercise, I'll be playing this. Going up in half steps. And we just join in a twangy voice. But it's important to keep the vocal cords thin. So if your voice has to break, it's totally fine. We're all human beings. It just happens at some point. But just remember to not make them thick and go into a belting sound, which would be nya, 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 nya. And you don't want that because it's like tight and constricted and stressful and with a lot of effort. So you want to go nya, 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 with a very annoying high pingy sound, okay? Let's start. Nya, 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 nya. 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 This was my break, for example. Nya, 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 nya. 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 Nya, 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 nya. See, at some point it just gets uglier and uglier and thinner. And again, it's not an exercise that we do so that we sound pretty or nice. It's more that you learn how to handle your overtones, because afterwards you can decide how much twang you want in your sound. But for the beginning, you should go with the full, complete twang sound.
Singing carrots.